your file size limits, we're sending massive files today. Ever hit that frustrating wall when trying to send over a huge video project, a massive design file, or even a hefty collection of photos? You know, the ones that laugh in the face of your email attachment limits. Well, today we're diving deep into how to conquer those gigantic file transfers using Dropbox, ensuring your collaborators get everything they need, no download restrictions in sight. First things first, let's organize. The best practice for sharing large files is to group them together. Create a dedicated folder on your Dropbox account for the files you want to share. Give it a clear, descriptive name so your recipient knows exactly what they're getting. This will prevent a chaotic jumble of separate uploads and make the sharing process much smoother for both of you. Once your folder is neatly packed and named, it's time to share. Hover over your organized folder in Dropbox, either on the web or your desktop app, and you'll see a share icon appear. Click on that. This will open up the sharing options panel. Now, here's where the magic happens. For large files, you have two main options: invite specific people or create a shareable link for maximum flexibility, and to bypass any potential email delivery issues with huge attachments. Creating a link is usually the way to go. Look for the Create Link option. Crucially, once you've generated your link, take a moment to review the settings. By default, links grant can view access, which is perfect for read-only collaboration. If your recipient needs to make edits or add to the files, you can change this to can edit. Even more powerful for large files is setting an expiration date. This is a great security and organization feature, so your link doesn't remain active indefinitely. After you've configured your link settings, simply copy the generated link. You can then paste this into an email, a chat message, or any other communication method to send it to your recipient. They'll be able to click the link and access all the files within that folder directly from their browser, with no download size restrictions imposed by Dropbox. And that's it. By organizing your large files into a dedicated folder and using Dropbox's powerful link sharing feature with appropriate permissions, you can effortlessly send even the most massive projects. No more worrying about file size limits, a circumflex euros. Just smooth, secure sharing. Happy sending.